Hello, 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 hello. Just checking my mic. Let me see if the stream is working fine and then we can start. Mm, how to check my screen? I think it was here, right? Let's see. I'm online. I don't know why this shows up every now and then. Mm, am I live? It seems like I am live now. All right. Hello, guys. So, how are you guys doing today? It is Sunday and the time right now is 10:51 p.m. So I'm going on live again late. Hopefully this won't be that long, but this will be mostly towards focusing towards researching on distribution part. I already have my application live, but I still need to know how is it going to do. So that's why, like, I want to know how is it doing right now. Then I need to make some plan for how I'm going to do some distributions across different platforms. What platforms are those going to be? How am I going to distribute it? A lot of things are going to be used. I'm going to be using ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini for it. So probably it won't be that long, but I think this is as important part of the of launching an application, that you need to know how you're going to distribute it. And I think I will have one uh, live video for this every week, like only for like a shorter period of time. But I think it is required right now to do the research, so that over the week I can apply the things that I've learned in this research, and see how is it resulting, what are the results that I'm getting in when going when my for my application. Yeah, so I think I blabbered a lot in this video, in the start of the video. So I think let's jump into it. Let's see. So Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, I thought you guys were able to hear me correctly, but sorry, I was setting it up everything and I was trying to type it as well. So I forgot that haven't added the audio over here. But now I hopefully everything is correct, and hopefully not a lot of things have been done so far. You haven't lost much of the audio from my side. Anyways, let's begin. So I have talked about two things that I will be doing right now. One of them is like I want to see my analytics and see how well am I doing right now. That is because before I make any decision, I need to know how is it going. Did somebody download it yet? Are they people viewing the page, my app store page at all? So this is the three things that I need to make sure, and then how I'm going to distribute it, the application. Like what are the steps that I should take uh, to distribute the application. So the two things that I will be talking about is indirect distribution and direct distribution. We'll have to discuss how what is the best way to do this. All right. So I think this should be enough for today, because there will be a lot of research that I will need to do, and secondly, I think this is the most important part, right? That I need to focus on this first. Obviously, I will be adding a lot of stuff over here as well, but at least we'll come up with a plan. Maybe I'm not able to provide you with 100% plan, but there will be some kind of plan that I can follow over the week. And as I was saying before, this will be a weekly thing. So every week, once a week, I will be coming up with this kind of a video where I will be talking about distribution, because this I need to make sure that whatever I'm making, it is being used by people. It is not just killing uh, my own time just for building the application. I want people to use this application. All right. So perfect. So let me see and open up my App Store account, and then I can share it with you guys. Hmm. I'm not sure. I always get this bitrate error. I don't know why though. The Apple Store is being very slow right now. Not sure. You guys can see right now. Give me a second. Let me fix that part too. Oh, okay. So let's do it over here. Did I install it somewhere? No. Somebody else did download. Okay, so I have copied it in this note so that I will, so I'm able to write my notes as well over here, and then we'll discuss about it. All right. Too many things opening up right now. I'm just trying to clean it up. Okay, so let's talk about it now. So if you look over here, this is good news. We were able to download it. There's a conversion rate of 1.92% daily average. Like, so it means that we got our first client, our user for 10 on 10th July. So 2 days ago. This was the first time I'm looking at, and this is a great thing to see because I didn't know if somebody is also, because I haven't marketed it as much. My brother knows it, but he installed it when I first downloaded it. No one else in my area I told about this application. So if somebody's downloaded it, that means that it has gotten it from the app store itself. So it's a organic traffic rather than something pushed by me. So this is good news. Let's just add some text over here. I think so. Because of this, I think I so one of the things I should do is, so I'm not the code. So I will be adding codes over here. The codes meaning that I have to do this stuff. Whenever there's a code, I will be doing this stuff. So the only thing is that it will I will be able to recognize it that this thing needs to be done. For example, the first, more people to download the application. So I think this will be a good time that I should uh, update in my WhatsApp, X, and LinkedIn group and see where it does take me. I think I should just copy this image and paste it in X, and I think that will be a good way to start. Now the next thing that I'm looking at is the date and time. One thing I do not have at this moment, and I do not know how will I get it. It's like if my application, like the thing I'm talking about to you, I'm trying to think about is like mm, should I get start should I start getting users information as well? That way I will be able to send them any updates, feature upgrades, and all that stuff. But that once that thing is applicable, it becomes a nuisance as well because then I have to make sure I'm able to track it. We are using Go High Level at this moment. I think that application will help us a lot, but still, I don't know if we should do it for now. I think the reason being, one of the main reason is that because I don't at this moment I don't want any user data to be added to my space to me with me, because right now, because it is all the data is being secured within the application, within the mobile itself. It is helping me launch quickly, but once the customer data I start collecting that customer data or user data, then Apple will also be concerned about if this data is being used properly, and then it might delay my uh, pushing of the application to App Store for the newer versions. So I think let's just add some users, more users, and we'll ask once I think I have, okay, one I think I have like two to three new versions uploaded to the system, then we're gonna get user data collected. Yeah, I think this would be a good plan. So let's write it down so that we do not forget about it. Rather, or rather, what I would, let's make this bold. So I think I will write a summary at the end of this, because I think this is going to be a problem for me. Okay, sorry, I think you're seeing my video right now. So I've added this information now that for now I will not be collecting any user data, as I don't want Apple to take time to analyze the application. Rather I would do, rather I would use Microsoft Clarity to understand the user flow and which feature is being liked by the user. One one sorry one thing that I don't know is if Microsoft Clarity can work with mobile applications. Let's look into it now. I think this will be a good time where I will be able to show you. Alright, can you guys see my screen? Reason being that we are already in that phase where there's not a lot of users at this moment, and at this moment I don't really care about how they're using it. The only thing that I'm care about at this moment is there should be higher amount of downloads. And but one thing that another oh, sorry, I think one more important part, and I think that will help us with the distribution as well, is this. Let's go to Notion again, and I sorry. Okay, so in the later, sorry, what's happening? Where's my okay? The one important part is that I need to make within the application. I should ask the user to please review the application and add it in apps store review. This will help the like my application is what. Yeah, I think this is a good thing that this is one of the important parts for in the development of the application. Like after every two twice or thrice using the application, I should ask the user to review the application, and then it is stored at the app store. I think this will help me a lot. So this is good. So this is really good that now we are focusing on the distribution of the application rather than our mm, just the features of the application. uh, I hope people are going to like this stuff as well, because it is a bit of a, what do you call, it is a bit of a boring stuff that we are doing right now, but it is important as well, because this way we'll be able to get a clarity of how we need to distribute the application and how people are going to download this application. All right, so enough talk about how what we are going to do for users to see what their users are going to do in the application. Now what we need to do is need to think about how are we going to distribute the application. So if you look at our master plan today for today, which is this right now, so we had also already talked about this. Now we need to talk about this part. Okay, before we jump to the second part, so there's three things, right? On this, um, downloads, impressions, and then product page view. These three things I think are important. Shall we do a little research on it? Let's ask Gemini, because we need to make sure that what we are looking at is the correct thing to look at. I don't want to waste any more time on uh, finding out that this was not the important things that uh, that are required. But a lot of things are obvious, like downloads is will be an important part of it. Impression is going to be important, and of course product page view is also important, like otherwise they wouldn't have given us the 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 information in their dashboard as well, in the app store dashboard, analytics dashboard. uh, One thing that I am realizing is there's no crashes, which is a great thing. We do not have any information on the crashes, which is really, really, really important. And I think this is helping. This is going to help us a lot to be on the top of the app, on the top of the download app store. So I don't want that at all. And to tell you the truth, I only have one mobile, and I am only able to test it on that mobile. So I really hope that no crashes come along for now at least. Okay, so now let's talk about what yes, let's talk about this stuff. Let's do some more research on it first. one for you guys, and then look over here. Okay, don't worry about this page. I am going to I'm going to make it better. But yes, look, right now, so we need to use three different analytics. One is for Apple App Store Connect analytics. The other was what? The other was Microsoft Clarity, and the third is Google Analytics. Yep, I think this is good. Okay, I think for now we are done with point number one. Now let's talk about point number two, which is similarly important. How are we going to distribute the application? So, what I'm thinking of is two things. Let's talk about the first one, indirect. Indirect marketing. So basically, these going live is kind of indirect marketing, right? Then what else? Social media. In social media, uh, give me a second. My brother's calling me. Give me a second. Hello. Hello. Sorry, guys. Uh, I had to take the call, but all good. Let's get back to it. So going live is kind of an indirect marketing. Then sharing the YouTube live videos with my close relatives, colleagues, and friends. Sharing video, going live videos on WhatsApp statuses. What else? Mm, what else? What else? What else? What else? Mm, what else is there? What else is there? Going video on X and LinkedIn. Okay, you guys probably are asking why I'm doing going live videos and pushing the going live videos. So there's two benefits for it. One, they might be able to look, they might be interested in what is being built, and they, because of that, they will start downloading and become my own testers of the application. One is that thing. The second that I'm thinking of is because I need subscribers as well on YouTube, so this will help me with that too. But the subscription part is not that important at this moment. What I want to do is need to find out I mean, need to make more distributions, and then go from there. Hmm. So now, with this kind of things, I think let's make a plan for this, the indirect then. So plan for indirect marketing. I forgot we can add headers as well. My plan is that I will daily I will be launching applications, going live. So once I am live, I should share the link on WhatsApp with WhatsApp status, right? Uh, I should share the link on WhatsApp status. Then what else? I think I'm gonna take this in my hand because I feel like this is gonna make it much better. You guys will be able to hear better. If somebody is live, do tell me if you're hearing me correct, nicely, or is the voice still low? Mm, okay, where was I? Plan for the indirect marketing. So daily I will be going live. So once I'm live, I should share the link on WhatsApp status as well as X and LinkedIn. Right? Sorry, I'm gonna use short form right now because in one hand I have the mic, and in the second hand I will be typing. In my right hand will be typing. Okay, this will be one thing that I need to do. Then two short, like let's make it three short videos on YouTube specific to Islamic Companion. Yeah, I think this can be done, and hopefully it will be better. I mean, the shorts will be better and interesting for people. One thing I do not know about is one thing I do not know is like how does the YouTube algorithms work? Because I would like for the shorts at least to be specific to Muslim countries. I don't know if it is able. I will be able to do that. So, What should I do for that part? Hmm. What should I do for that part? 3 short videos on YouTube. Anyways, I think this is a question for another video. I do not have the time to do this, to think about this right now. But yeah, 3 short videos on YouTube, and then same short videos on TikTok. I have tried going live on TikTok, going launching videos on short videos on TikTok as well, and I've realized is that initially the TikTok algorithm will work in the region that you are at. So like when I launch a video, 98% of the traffic is going to come from the same region where you are releasing the short video from. So I think this is a good way because I am already living in an Islamic country, so I think it will be a good way to release it in the region, and that way get I will try to get as many uh, users I can get. Yeah. All right. So this is the indirect marketing plan. So for direct marketing would be uh, let me put the mic on my shirt because I think I need to write a bit more. So the diagram uh, forwarded messages on Islamic Companion. It's forwarded messages on Islamic Companion. Videos sharing of companions to my relatives, friends in my circle. Just do in my circle. Then what else? Joining. If I am missing something, please let me know. And so that if I'm making a mistake, then if I'm not thinking about something, then you guys can help me out with that too. What else? What else? What else? Anyways, the direct marketing part is easy. So what I'm going to do is let's plan for my direct marketing as well. The plan for direct marketing is that I will at least join 20 Facebook groups and share the link to download the application. The more the Yes, okay. Similarly, for I will join at least 10 communities on X and share the link to download the application. The reason that I'm having 10 communities on X is because I do not know if there's any community that exists that will help me that will be interested in this application. So I really need to look into what those applications, those communities are. So let me write it down that need to research what those communities are going to be. Hmm. Yep. Give me a second. Let me just see. Uh, it's almost an hour. I thought we were planning on going live for like 20-30 minutes, but seems like it is almost an hour. Time fly by quickly when I'm going live. Uh, what else? Share the download link within my circle and share and using WhatsApp status for new updates on daily basis for no, not updates but sharing using WhatsApp status for sharing links for Islamic Companion. Perfecto. I think this is good. Uh, I think this is the plan for the day. So what? Let's just summarize what we have done so far, because I think this is important. So the plan where we started off was to check my app analytics and see how many people have downloaded the application, how many impressions there it had, and how many people view my page. All right. So we talked about it, and we saw that there's a first download in our, yeah, I think on the 10th, which is, yeah, on the 10th we had our first download, which is great. And I need to do these two parts, like LinkedIn and WhatsApp should have an update about the first download of my application. This will incline more people to download the application. Yes. Then another important part was like, and so this is for development section, that I need to have an analytics setup properly. We also talked about the the things that we need to have for analytics, which is App Store Connect Analytics, Microsoft Clarity, and Google Analytics. And then why should we use App Store Connect Analytics, and why should we have Google Analytics? All right. So then we talked about, our indirect marketing. In For indirect marketing, we focused on what will be the way to do some indirect marketing, and we set up a plan for that. And for direct marketing, we made a plan, and then we are following that plan for the whole week. I think by next Monday, for next weekend, I won't be here, so probably I won't be going live on those days. But on Monday, we're gonna have this, this, this episode again, and we're gonna review how we have done on this in this week. All right. So I think this is good, and I should say bye because it's pretty late now. It's almost 11:45 p.m. and tomorrow I have work to do. See you guys. Bye. Hope you enjoyed this video as well. Bye bye.